That's new Doritos brand Crispy Lights tortilla chips. And that light, crispy texture is why they go so well with hamburgers. Crispy Lights are just the ticket. With a nice hot bowl of soup.
With wedding cake? Probably not.
But that light, crispy texture really makes the sandwich sit up and take notice. Crispy Lights go anywhere potato chips go.
New Doritos Crispy Lights from Frito-Lay. Food tastes better everywhere they go.
Car window look like a vacation wonderland? You need Widget.
What's Widget?
Having trouble trimming wallpaper?
No.
You need Widget.
Widget?
Introducing Widget, the handy scraper and cutter from Gillette. It scrapes, cuts, trims, and handles with ease. Look for Widget where Gillette blades are sold. So, the next time you need help opening a tough box, get Widget. New Widget from Gillette. It's perfect for scores of chores.
If you have oily hair, you have a different kind of sebum.
And all the detergent in the world won't change it.
Now there's a new kind of shampoo.
For oily hair only.
Foho.
Made with a blend of natural ingredients.
To control.
And normalize.
Oily conditions.
We drop oily sebum into Foho shampoo.
Look how it breaks up the oil so fine.
So fast.
So clean.
It lifts.
Right out of your hair. Gently.
Easily.
You get extra clean hair.
And to keep it that way for oily hair only rinse.
New Foho. It's not just a lot of detergent.
Big news from Hostess Cakes. Now Midway's Galaxian by Coleco meets Hostess Cakes.
Wow!
Get $5 back when you buy Twinkies cakes, cupcakes, any of these Hostess cakes, and Coleco's Galaxian or any of these Coleco games. Save proofs of purchase and get $5 back on each. See details on specially marked Hostess packages for up to $25 back. Get Coleco games, get Hostess cakes, and get $5 back.
NBC Sunday Night at the Movies returns following these messages.
She takes the blows. He takes the bows. They're two private eyes with eyes for each other.
I hate it when you're nice to me.
Stephanie Zimbalist and Pierce Brosnan star in the funniest, sexiest, most dangerous love story in years.
God, I'm good.
Premieres Friday of NBC Week.
It's a short journey to where everything is pure, smooth, and delightful. And all around, it's light, cool, and creamy.
Come discover the one place where good taste comes through.
Discover the delightful Dairy Queen sundae.
In the land of Dairy Queen.
Treat you right.
Remember me? In 1980, the Republicans paid me to go on television because they promised us they would make things better. And I believed them. Well, now we have the highest unemployment since the Great Depression, and businesses are closing down every day. We can't elect a new president, but we can elect a governor and local Democrats. I'm a Democrat, but I voted Republican once. It's a mistake I'll never make again, and I didn't get paid to say that.
Let's get our state working. Vote for Ted Kulongowski for governor.
Chuck Norris on Monday's Entertainment Tonight at 7.
When you burn the candle at both ends, there's a vitamin just for you. New advanced formula stress tabs, now with biotin. A vitamin not found in other stress formulas. A vitamin essential to help convert food to energy. When you burn the candle at both ends, support your diet with new advanced formula stress tabs with biotin.
Have I got great news for babies? I'm delivering a remarkable new diaper. New fitted Pampers with stay-dry gathers.
Pampers are fitted? That's terrific.
Now they help protect your baby from wetness right down to his toes. Pampers' new stay-dry gathers mean a drier baby outside the diaper.
And fitted Pampers still has the cushion quilted lining?
Yep, that helps keep baby dry inside the diaper.
That's wetness protection, right down to his toes.
Yep, right down to his toes.
Who can resist that?
New fitted Pampers with stay-dry gathers helps protect your baby against wetness right down to his toes. Yep, it's a great time to be a baby.
Did you brush your teeth yet?
Math test tomorrow.
Can't help you with metrics.
I thought you knew everything.
Hey, I do about some things, like cavities.
Oh.
I know you could get even fewer than I did.
How you know that?
Because I know Advanced Formula Crest has fluorostat.
So?
Compared to the Crest I grew up on, it's even tougher.
My homework's tougher, too.
Quit worrying. You always make Mom and me real proud.
With Crest, your kids could have even fewer cavities than you did.
Now you can get your kids this Crest Team T-shirt free by mail when you buy 5 large tubes of Crest, so they can fight those cavity creeps coming and going. See details at participating stores.
3 Musketeers, over 2 1/4 ounces.
Wow!
The bar that gives you lots more of what you buy chocolate for is now even bigger.
At no increase in price.
More chocolate. Same great quality as ever. More chocolate than before.
For me, there's no better chocolate taste.
3 Musketeers, the bar that gives you lots more of what you buy chocolate for, is now even bigger.
No soft food gives your dog what Milk-Bone dog biscuits can. A teeth-cleaning crunch.
Crunch, 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 crunch. Crunch, 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 crunch.
100% nutritious Milk-Bone dog biscuits help remove stains, tartar, and particles soft foods leave behind for cleaner, whiter teeth.
Crunch, 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 crunch.
Milk-Bone dog biscuits, the crunch food for over 75 years.
You are the player, and the arcade is the arena. You focus your mind and propel yourself into a universe where you're the master of your destiny for as long as you can keep the trip going. This is the arcade experience. We're Colecovision. We bring the arcade experience home with games like Donkey Kong with multiple screens, arcade controls, and arcade graphics that let you have the arcade experience at home because your vision is our vision. Colecovision.
Coke is it, a part of every day, a part of living life our way. On the run, having fun, always so much to do, always something big waiting for me and you. Coke is it, the biggest